Marcel here. Welcome back to I Home Bake. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Panang chicken curry, similar to red curry paste. So when you go to a Malaysian restaurant, you're going to see a lot of that thicker sauce. Guys, so before we go, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and notification bell so you will be notified whenever I'm uploading, whether I'm cooking or baking. Let's begin. So first of all, before you cook anything else, have all your ingredients ready, prep it, but you cannot leave chicken out for a while, okay? When you wash your chicken, you make sure that you need to cook it right away because you don't want to catch any kinds of bacteria. Here I have coconut milk, red chili pepper. Since I do not have caper lime, I'm using lime leaves. This is the Panang paste, and along here I have palm sugar, fish sauce, and of course chicken. I like using the chicken with bones rather than boneless chicken because the boneless chicken tend to dry up. Plus, the chicken bones gives more flavor into your cooking. All the flavors combining and etc. So you can use any kinds of pan, whatever you have. Don't make it so hard on yourself. Alright, well, follow me to the stove and I'm going to show you exactly how to cook this step by step. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of coconut, not everything all at once. So maybe about 1/4 of the can. The next is the Panang paste. What I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to introduce the coconut milk into the Panang curry. Panang curry, like I said, it is like a red curry, but you have to cook this a little thicker than the normal red curry. Alright, so look at this. The fragrance, the aroma. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, guys? And now I'm marinating the chicken. I can smell all the flavors and cook this on medium. Goodness. Now guys, does that ever happen to you? Burn yourself, right? You know guys, I've been cooking for a long time, since I was 6 years old. I mean, oil splashing all over me, but today, goodness. That was hot. Going to cook this. So don't touch the dial because we are not done yet, alright? Don't go anywhere. Already been half hour. Check this out. So this has been cooking for 30 minutes. Is this nice lime leaves? Alright guys, so these lime leaves will give that nice flavor and aroma for your chicken. The palm sugar, if you don't have palm sugar, go ahead and use brown sugar. I am using 1 teaspoon. Alright, so now I have 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Alright guys, don't get confused between the soy sauce and the fish sauce. This is the fish sauce. That is about 1 tablespoon. So far that is 1 tablespoon of palm sugar, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, wow, wow, that's really good. Alright guys, so who wants some chicken? Alright guys, so are you following so far? I mean, this is so simple. Just follow my steps and trust me, you are going to be able to cook a chicken panang just like what I have here for another 10 minutes, and I'll see you when I get back. Don't touch that dial. We're not done yet. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the pepper. Pepper. If you're cooking the chicken with bones, the total time of cooking this dish, it's about 45 minutes because you want the chicken to be nice and tender. All right, you want to get all the bone marrow flavor, and with all the flavors in there, it's just gonna be so yummy. All right, so I am done. Check this out, guys. Is the basil. I love basil. So how'd you like that? Isn't that beautiful? Oh, it smells so good. You like that, don't you? It is so yummy. Finally done. So it is tasting time. This is one of my favorite part, so I can show you exactly, so I can tell you what it tastes like as far as the flavor, if it's too salty or not. All right, so of course you cannot eat this curry without the rice. All Asian likes rice. If you're Asian and you don't like rice, I mean, seriously, well then you're not Asian. Alright guys, pow! Did you just like that? Like that nice steam coming out? Whoa! Even the rice smells good because this is jasmine. Wow, no, okay. Whoa! Alright guys, I am super hungry. It is dinner time and let's taste. Like I said guys, you gotta eat this curry with rice. There you go. I'm not gonna eat all the rice. This amazing curry. Like, what? Seriously? Do you see that? Well, you know, they all look good, but I'm not really sure which one. I'm gonna take the small one for now. Look at that. Wow. I'm gonna get some sauce. Some pepper. And some basil. I'm messing up. You know, guys, I'm not good when it comes to plating. I'm not really that good in decorating my own plate, but if someone else's plate, I'm very good at it. I think just because I'm just so hungry, you know. Whew. Well, well, shout out to all my friends out here in the chat room right now that are watching me eat this dish. I wish that you are here with me so we can eat it together, and I want to share this blessing to all of you, my dear friends, to all of my supporters, your friends, to come to my house so we can be all a happy family. Alright guys, so it is tasting time. Oh my goodness, seriously, I'm hungry. You know, guys, I went to the gym today, and I think I'm losing weight. To eat as long as you work out, you know. Wow. Nice Panang curry. It's so nice and creamy. It gives you that little kick of the spicy, like you can feel it around here. It's awesome. So just in case you guys are wondering what is a Panang curry, when you go to the Asian market, I am not trying to promote this company, but I'm trying to promote the flavor. And curry paste has a nice flavor. Like I said, I'm not promoting their channel because they're not paying me. They should be paying me, right? But they're not. Anyway, this is the Panang curry paste that I am using. It is super good. So like I said, you can cook this boneless chicken if you want. Now, of course, when you go to the restaurant, when you order this Panang curry, it's mostly like chicken breast. Alright guys, so for those of you just wondering if you can cook this Panang curry with just chicken breast, like I told you, it's going to be a little drier, but in a way it is shorter to cook this, because this without any bones. So this is the coconut milk. This is just the coconut milk, guys. This is the coconut milk. Put about 1 tablespoon and cook the coconut together and the paste, and put the chicken breast. Adding about 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, teaspoon of fish sauce, caper lime, so you see how easy it is. Add the red pepper. Cooking time for this, it's about 12 minutes. Because if they do cook the chicken with the bone, it will take longer. You'll be waiting there for like 40 minutes. If you want your chicken cooked with the bone, I think 40 minutes, it's good, to 45 minutes on medium heat. So, like I said, like in the restaurant, mostly they just use chicken breast because it's easier to cook without the bone. But this with the bone, it adds more flavor. If you have any questions, write a comments below and let me know what you think about this dish, okay? I'm gonna sit down and enjoy. Actually, I am home alone today, so I'm gonna eat this by myself. Put this in the fridge and maybe call my friends tomorrow. Well, this is Marie Marcel at iHome Bake. Thank you guys so much for being here. Until next time, peace out.